So yeah, it's people's vitality, damage, their constitution, their the past food that they've eaten. All of these factors play a role of why people sometimes need extra help, such as like enemas or like supervised water fasting or long juice feasts, juice cleanses, juice feasts, because people have weaker constitution than they used to. They have lower vitality from living lifestyles and all the food and pollution, and some people have like damage done to their body from past previous abuse of drugs, chemicals, even just general accidents or trauma, physically, mentally, emotionally. As well as we live in a world that's like full of like toxic chemicals and substances all over the place, all over our home, all over our environment, all over our food. So it's for this purpose we need to be extra prudent and take extra measures, and it'll take longer than people in the olden days who would just simply do like some water fasting, and it's simple and easy.
Know you are loved, rest in peace, dream your sweet dreams till your soul is released. Know you are loved, rest in peace.